Gamma-ray bursts, the universe's most mind-blowing explosions. Imagine witnessing an explosion so powerful it outshines entire galaxies, even though it lasts just a few seconds. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of gamma-ray bursts, GRBS, the universe's most intense and mysterious phenomena. Gamma-ray bursts are bursts of gamma rays, the highest energy light known to science. These bursts are so incredibly powerful that they release more energy in just a few seconds than our sun will emit throughout its entire lifetime. When a GRB occurs, it briefly outshines everything around it, making it one of the most luminous events we can observe from Earth. So, how do these cosmic fireworks come about? There are two main types. Long-duration GRBs are linked to the dramatic deaths of massive stars. When these stars collapse into black holes or neutron stars, they cause a colossal explosion that sends gamma rays shooting through space. On the flip side, short-duration GRBs result from the high-energy collisions of neutron stars or black holes. These explosions are quicker but equally spectacular, lasting just seconds. The study of GRBs has revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. They serve as cosmic beacons, allowing scientists to peer into the distant past and study the formation of black holes and the evolution of galaxies. By analyzing these bursts, researchers can unravel the mysteries of the universe's most extreme phenomena. Thanks to cutting-edge space missions like NASA's Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope and the Swift Observatory, we're now able to detect and study these explosive events more effectively. These advancements are uncovering new secrets about the universe, making each discovery a thrilling breakthrough in our quest to understand the cosmos. In essence, gamma-ray bursts are not just astronomical curiosities, but key to unlocking the universe's deepest mysteries. Stay tuned as we continue to explore these cosmic marvels and their role in shaping our understanding of the universe.